I did book an oceanfront room for the view, but that did mean that I was going to get a lot of steps in going from the hotel elevator to my room. So just keep that in mind if you book an oceanfront room. It's worth it in my opinion, but just know that. This is the bathroom. They had a detachable shower head. The water pressure was great. The water got hot quick. No complaints there. There were double sinks, even though I only needed one. And you didn't really get a good view of that because I was too busy taking a selfie in the mirror. Here is the bar that they had available in the room. There were also drinks in the fridge, a place to set your suitcase, 2 nightstands, a king size bed, a dresser, table, 2 chairs, pretty much everything you could need, and it did not feel cramped. So shout out to Riu for their layout of this room. Same thing about the balcony, very spacious. There were 2 chairs and a table out there as well. And look at this view, y'all. Just beautiful. You can see the Pacific Ocean, the pools from the resort, the palm trees. This is why you book the oceanfront room right here.